This is the third episode of our Find Inner Peace with Ho'oponopono transformative series. As the twilight embraces the world, casting a veil of tranquility over restless hearts, we gather once more to step on our path to inner peace through the profound healing powers of a simple yet mighty phrase. Please forgive me. In this life's intricate dance of relationships and personal battles, we often stumble, wounding both others and ourselves. Each misstep, each word spoken in haste, leaves invisible scars on us and on those around us. How do we mend these unseen injuries that echo through our souls, disturbing our peace? How do we heal the deep-seated scars that tarnish the very essence of our spirits, casting long shadows over our hearts? The journey to restoration and peace begins with a powerful act of courage. Forgiveness. A journey through Ho'oponopono, where we explore how forgiveness is not just a gift to others, but a key to unlocking our own inner sanctuary of peace. Today, we reach out into the profound depths of our hearts, braving the darkness to unearth the strength that lies buried beneath our regrets and fears. It is here, in this sacred inner sanctum, that we find the fortitude and the courage to say or whisper with trembling lips, "Please forgive me." As we say, "Please forgive me," we're not just asking for others to release us from blame. We're also learning to forgive ourselves. This isn't just an utterance. It's a transformative confession, a plea for redemption from the chains of past grievances, and a declaration of our readiness to move forward, to let go of the burdens we've carried for far too long. So, as we stand at this crossroad, let us choose the path of forgiveness. Let us speak these words, "Please forgive me," as a sacred mantra, letting them resonate through every fiber of our being, healing, mending, and ultimately liberating our spirits from the bonds of resentment and pain. Imagine standing before a mirror, your reflection gazing back with eyes full of longing for inner peace. Speak to that reflection, to your deeper self. Say, "Please forgive me." Let each word resonate, a vibration that soothes and mends the fractures within your soul. Every time you say or whisper the words, "Please forgive me," imagine it as a sacred incantation, a key unlocking the heavy chains of your past burdens. With every utterance of "Please forgive me," envision releasing a burden from your shoulders. Feel the weight lifted and the lightness infuse your being. Feel the oppressive weight of old grudges and unresolved regrets gently lifted from your heart and shoulders. Visualize each word creating space for breath, for life, as lightness seeps into the very core of your being, replacing the heaviness that once resided there. This is not merely an apology. It is a powerful act of liberation, a profound inner cleansing that sweeps through the soul, clearing away the debris of resentment and pain that has barricaded your heart from inner peace. Each plea for forgiveness is a step towards purifying your spirit, dissolving the walls you've built around your heart, brick by brick, barrier by barrier. As you say, "Please forgive me," allow yourself to feel the transformation within. It is a profound metamorphosis where the shackles of your old self are shed and a renewed, lighter spirit emerges. Envision this act of forgiveness as a gentle rain washing away the soil of past wounds, leaving the garden of your spirit refreshed, ready for new seeds of peace and happiness to sprout. Forgiveness is the dawn of a new understanding, the birth of compassion. It's a declaration that despite our flaws and past mistakes, we are worthy of peace. As you forgive yourself, extend this forgiveness outward to those you've hurt, to those who've hurt you. Witness how the landscape of your inner world transforms, how the shadows give way to light. The phrase, "Please forgive me," in the context of hooponopono, is uniquely flexible and profound because it can be addressed to multiple recipients, depending on the intention and focus of the practice. Here are the primary ways it is used. To oneself. Often, the phrase is directed inwardly, acknowledging and asking forgiveness for one's own errors, misjudgments, or negative behaviors that may have contributed to one's own suffering or challenges. To others. It can also be directed towards others who might have been hurt or affected by one's actions, consciously or unconsciously. This does not necessarily require direct communication with the other person, but is more about releasing any negative energy tied to interpersonal interactions and conflicts. To the universe or higher power. For those who hold spiritual beliefs, saying, "Please forgive me," can be a way of communicating with the universe, God, or a higher power, seeking forgiveness on a cosmic or karmic level. This can be seen to clear any spiritual debts or disturbances. To life itself. Some may direct this phrase towards life itself or existence, asking for forgiveness for not living up to their own expectations or the potential they believe they have. This can involve aspects of their lives where they feel they have fallen short or have not honored their own life's purpose. The beauty of hooponopono lies in its simplicity and the personal nature of its practice. Individuals can adapt the phrases to best suit their healing journey, addressing the phrase to whichever aspect of their lives they feel needs reconciliation and peace. Join us as we continue to weave the tapestry of inner peace with each phrase of hooponopono. In our next episode, we'll discover the uplifting power of gratitude with "Thank you" hooponopono phrase. Embrace Embrace this journey, for each step forward is a step towards the inner peace you deserve.